In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign a document using DocuSign, one of the leading electronic signature platforms. If you've received a document for signature, follow along as we walk through the straightforward steps to sign it using DocuSign. Whether you're signing for the first time or need a quick refresher, this guide will help you navigate the process with ease. First, ensure that you've received an email from DocuSign in your inbox. This email will contain the document that needs your signature. If you haven't spotted it yet, you might want to check your spam or junk mail folders just in case it was accidentally redirected there. Once you locate the email, open it up and you should see a Review Document button prominently featured. Go ahead and click on this button to be directed to DocuSign's platform, where you can view and interact with the document. After logging in or being directed to the document interface, the next step involves your interaction with the document itself. Look for the designated signature line. It usually stands out. When you click on this area, a pop-up window should appear. In this window, you'll see options that allow you to change or clear your signature. Select Change to proceed to the next step. Now, you'll be given a few options for creating your unique signature. You can e-sign electronically using a preset font, draw it using a touchpad or mouse, or upload a pre-scanned image of your handwritten signature. Choosing a method depends on what you're most comfortable with or what the document requires. Once you've made your choice, you'll need to finalize your decision by clicking on Adopt and Sign. This action will replace the placeholder with your preferred signature, effectively completing your part of the signing process. And just like that, you're all set. The document will be sent back to the sender, and you'll typically receive a confirmation email indicating that your signature has been successfully added. Keep that email as a receipt or for your records. Signing documents this way is not only legally binding, but also streamlines the entire process, making it efficient and environmentally friendly. The convenience of signing from anywhere simplifies tasks and ensures that you're no longer tied to pen and paper for crucial agreements or forms. So, whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, DocuSign allows you to handle essential document signings with confidence and ease. Thanks for joining today's tutorial, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy signing, and be sure to explore more about DocuSign's wide range of services if you're interested in further streamlining your document management workflow.